So it's about 7 a.m. in the morning now. It's pretty bright and early we started. Today is pretty exciting. We're going down for a bit of a road trip challenge from Sydney to Melbourne. Taking on from Nico Bedoya, who did an amazing road trip through the Colombian Rubicon Trail. I don't know how to beat that, but Sydney to Melbourne's pretty iconic for us here in Australia. And we're gonna take a little bit of the coastal route and a little bit of the inland route just to save a little bit of time. Yeah, it'll be a fun road trip, see what's along the way. We're driving with a friend right now, Alpha, to meet a few more friends. There is an event that we're gonna go to and cover called Black Label Invitational, and see some cool cars. that's the end of our little trip to Melbourne. It's been an amazing journey, meeting some awesome people, and just a cool vibe here with a really rad event, Black Label Invitational. And now it's our time to drive back to Sydney and go home. Now that the road trip's over, I hand over this challenge to Simon Hemelius from Sweden and show us what the North's got.